and Chad to give the response for the family. Si Riza.
I'm Riza, the eldest of Papa. In behalf of my family, my mom Alma, my sister Mina, my brother Mike, my youngest sister Lona, our partners in life, our children, my fathers, sisters, brothers, in-laws, nephews, nieces, stepmother. We would like to thank each and every one of you who I know have a special place in Papa's heart. Likewise, I know everyone has a place for Papa. Ayoko magsalita pero because I don't want to break a wall that I have been building since he started his illness. I opted to stay outside because I didn't want to speak. But Mom Joanne was making me cry. Papa's battle was not easy, but he tried. We did what we can. But I guess that's all we can do for him. To Papa's batchmates, I did not mention your names anymore. You know yourselves very well. Alam ko, you're very close with each other. You have a tight band. Thank you for having this tribute for Papa. For your assistance, for all the help, for sharing your thoughts, prayers. Maraming salamat. We are very grateful. To all the members of the Baguio Tennis Club, I would like to thank me, my family, as well. Ang laki ng tulong na binigay niyo sa amin. It would not be possible for us to finance the entire procedure my father has gone through. In fact, marami po kami utang. Ayoko nang isa-isahin pero alam ko kung sino, alam namin buong pamilya kung sino po ang mga tumulong. Hindi na po magsalita. Pagpasensya niyo po ako. Sa mga taga-Minas, lahat-lahat po kayo. Maraming salamat po dahil alam ko ganun din si Papa. Lahat ng memories na meron kayo sa isa't isa, hindi niyo po alam kung paano po niya i-share sa amin. From him being a simple person who tries to feed his family with hard work, your thoughts, your prayers, maraming salamat po. To his friends, friends of friends,
We have no words, but thank you. It's not enough. Me and my family are grateful. Sa mga doktor, nasa labas, maraming salamat sa paghawak sa father ko sa una niyang ang huling sinabi ng papa ko. I love you all. I miss you all. Alam ko malapit na. Ang nanay ko po hindi ko haharap at saan magsasalita. Hinihingi po siya ng pasalamat sa lahat na tumulong sa amin. Nagmahal sa tatay ko mula umpisa hanggang ngayon at patuloy na magmamahal sa tatay ko. Maraming salamat. This is not a goodbye. We should be rejoicing because the battle he has gone through, like I said, was not easy. His pain, his sufferings, all left in this earthly world. Maybe he's in a better place. May he guide us all. Thank you po. Maraming salamat.